In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank account or credit card account to QuickBooks. You're about to learn how to streamline your financial management, making it easier than ever to keep track of your transactions. This process is quite simple and only takes a few minutes of your time, but it can significantly enhance the efficiency of managing your finances. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open QuickBooks and sign into your account. This is your main gateway to accessing all the powerful features QuickBooks has to offer, so make sure your credentials are at hand. After signing in, you'll be brought to the dashboard. From here, choose QuickBooks Online. This is the platform where you'll handle all your transactions and financial data. Once you're on the QuickBooks Online interface, you'll need to enter your credentials and click on Continue. This ensures that the platform can load your personalized dashboard and settings. After successfully logging in, we'll proceed to the Bank Transactions tab. This is where you'll link your financial accounts. You can usually find this tab in the menu, ensuring you can access all your banking transactions in one consolidated view. Spending a moment to familiarize yourself with this part of the dashboard can be really beneficial. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll find the Link Account button. Clicking on this button initiates the process of connecting your bank or credit card account to QuickBooks. This is an important step as it sets the stage for importing your transactions into the platform. Upon clicking the Link Account button, you'll be prompted to select your credit card or bank from a list of available options. This list contains hundreds of financial institutions, so spend a moment searching for your bank or card issuer to ensure you choose the correct one. Once found, select your bank and provide your financial details. This could include account numbers or any identifying information your bank requires for integration. After entering your bank or credit card details, the next step is to proceed with logging in to confirm the connection. This means you'll be signing into your bank's online platform through QuickBooks. It's akin to logging into your online banking portal, so ensure you have your details ready. Follow the prompts to complete the connection, and that's about it. You've now linked your financial account to QuickBooks, enabling seamless importing of transactions. This setup ensures that every transaction that occurs on your bank or credit card reflects in QuickBooks, allowing you to manage your finances with ease. Remember, keeping your financial data up to date is crucial for accurate financial reporting and management. Thanks for tuning in today to learn how to connect your bank account or credit card to QuickBooks. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time.